The last time I put together a gas grill, I nearly pulled my hair out and it took me hours and it was very confusing. And I recently got a classic grill in the market, the Weber Original Kettle, and this is the 22-inch version. And I wanted to see how hard it would be to put together. So I actually timed it and it took me, 10 minutes. 10 minutes to put this together. The assembly guide is pretty user-friendly. It's going to have the wrench that you're going to need to put the top lid on, but then you are also going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and a hammer to get the wheel caps on. But other than that, it's very self-explanatory. It's very simple clips for the legs, pretty easy to do. It has everything that you're going to need in a charcoal grill, a layer for the charcoal, a layer for your food. It has, letting as much or as little air in and out as you want on the top lid and underneath. On the bottom, it has a tray to catch all of the ashes that fall out. And I know it's extremely obvious, but be careful when using lighter fluid. It can blow up in your face. Be careful putting this too close to vinyl siding because it can either stain or melt the vinyl siding. I've done both in the past. Try not to do that. But if you are looking for a classic grill in the market using charcoal that is very, in my opinion, easy to put together, took me 10 minutes. It's plain and simple and does exactly what it's supposed to do. And it looks like the cliche grill that you think of in a magazine of a person grilling out on the back porch. It's really kind of nostalgic and cool, and I'm into it and I'm enjoying it, and I would definitely recommend it.